everyone. We're Chad, Ashley, and Buddy. And this is ouRVan. If this is your first time watching this video, basically for about little under 2 years we were traveling in an RV, and then we decided to sell our RV, put everything away, and hike the Appalachian Trail, which is basically a 2,200 mile trail. We've been doing that for the past 3 months, and we made it about 1,400 miles and decided it was time to get off trail because I hurt my foot. And now we got some big news. Pretty exciting news. Are you excited?
Yeah, so it's going to be kind of similar to what we were doing before in the RV, hopefully. We have actually purchased a school bus at auction.
We've never seen this bus in person.
Yeah, we don't know anything about it.
We have no idea what to expect.
Hopefully it runs all right and we can drive it home, and we're going to find all of that out tomorrow morning.
Yes, so everyone who has been following us since the beginning, I think you guys were pretty excited to see what came next. Unfortunately, we didn't get to finish. I appreciate everyone who followed our journey on the trail, but we got this new chapter.
We'll know a lot more tomorrow when we see how this bus runs, and I guess let's just get right to that.
Good morning, everybody. So it's 8:30 in the morning. I just woke up. Buddy is using the bathroom right now, and we are going to get ready to head out to get our bus. We're pretty excited. We're also a little nervous because, like we said, we got this on auction online. We have no idea what to expect. We hope it runs. We're in Richmond, Virginia, and it's in Washington, D.C., so it's about 2.5 hours away. So I'm hoping for the best. We're a little nervous because we don't know if it's going to work. We hope it does. If it does, it was a great deal. If it doesn't, it was a terrible deal. Look at Buddy. Say good morning, Bud. Hello, good morning. Yes, this is Bentley. Say hi, Bentley. Oh, and one other quick thing I wanted to mention was that I know last night I was looking at a lot of our comments and people were saying how we haven't been posting as much, and I know now that we're off trail, we're hoping we can get back to being consistent and replying to comments and being on top of our stuff. On the trail, it was super hard, especially with being tired every day after hiking, being with our friends. We were a little behind, so hopefully that we can catch up now and continue with our videos and also share the build with you guys. So that is the plan. So yeah, let's hit the road and go check out this bus. Start for a second, we changed the voltage, 24 volts, started it right up, and now we're gonna take it for a drive. Alright guys, we're here, we got the bus. It didn't start the first time when they jumped it. It needs a new battery. Hopefully that's the only thing wrong with it. We don't know. Chad's playing around inside of it right now. We're waiting on the title, and then we'll be driving this baby home. And it'll be interesting because we can't turn it off the whole way home, so if we need to gas because it needs to be jumped, and we don't have jumper cables, so this should be fun. another day with the bus. Isn't she pretty? Still peeling off stickers. That's kind of my project. It's a lot of work. It's not hard. They're not hard to take off. It just takes time, but it's satisfying to me, so I kind of enjoy doing it. So I've taken on that project. Chad has been changing some fluids in the engine. We also got new batteries. We got our batteries from Costco. We've gotten them from there before, and they have a 3-year warranty, so we go with Costco. And so we took it for a little test drive, and it did great. Chad is currently cutting off the tailpipe because someone must have ran over something and it's completely crushed. We'll show you what it looks like when it's out, but it's pretty funny. But we think it's constricting the flow, so we're gonna cut it so that it's not, so that part that's flat is not there anymore, and so that it can flow a little better. And yeah, those are some things we've been working on today. Day's still young. I'm gonna keep picking off stickers. Don't know what Chad's gonna do next. He really wanted to play with his grinder. He just bought that yesterday, and I think he's having a lot of fun with it.
So we got to try out our grinder for the first time that we got for $20 from Harbor Freight. And the reason, because I wanted to cut off this part of the exhaust because it was right here, and clearly at some point they dragged the tail end and crushed the exhaust. And I think that was probably restricting the flow a little bit. I just came back here to feel it, to see if, when I held my hand here before, there was noticeable like blowing pressure coming out. I thought it should have been like a more steady flow based off of diesel trucks I've had in the past. So see if it made any difference. I don't know if it will. Oh yeah, huge difference.
Yeah?
Yeah, feel it now. It's not like blowing at you, it's just puffing at you.
Yeah. Nice cut.
Thank you.
Looks
It was like high pressure air before, and now it's a nice flow. So we don't want the exhaust coming out underneath the vehicle right there, so we're gonna either add an exhaust tip or some kind of pipe extension or something to angle it downward so exhaust doesn't gather under there. But yeah, definitely made a difference. Looks like a good cut.
Look how funny this is, guys.
Yeah, I don't know who did that. Someone bottomed it out though.
It's so funny.
Well, we'll probably do it at some point, so we can't make fun of them too much. Well, we are a few days of work in on the bus. Just been doing some basic stuff. I'll show you outside. We took off these front mirrors and we've been doing some body work to patch up the areas where these big mirrors came off. Got the stop sign removed from right there. Got to patch the hole later. Working on getting the stickers off. Much bigger job than expected. And we're working on taking these seats out, which they are all released, and today we're finally going to get rid of them. So we're making a trip to the local dump where hopefully they will take them off our hands, and then we'll have a seat-free school bus. So that's pretty exciting. Ashley, ready to get going?
Let's rumble.
Let's do it. All right, we did have to pay $30 to dispose of them here.
I don't know if that's a good deal or not.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a good deal, but they're gone now.
I'm glad they're gone.
And got some nice space in here. It's the first time we're really seeing it. And all the seats are staying in that dumpster. Goodbye, seats.
Bye. Do you need this headphone?
No. We are back with the bus. Seats removed. Let's go take a look at it. And been continuing some other projects But I think that's about enough for this video. Give you one more little peek inside here so you can see where we're currently at. Just a lot going on in there.
Jeez, you got messier in there.
But yeah, that's the plan. Working on a school bus here in Virginia, and hopefully building it into something real nice. So that's gonna be it for this one, and we will see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.